Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome everyone to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Ulefone Rugking. And here we have another release from Ulefone, this time with a slightly different approach from what they're used to showing you. I'll cover everything here in the video. I'll leave the link to buy this product directly from Ulefone's official store on AliExpress in the description. If you're low on cash, you can enter my giveaway for the 8GB RAM, 256GB version. I'll also leave the link to the WhatsApp and Telegram groups because this giveaway will be exclusive for the very important person group members. Just a reminder that shipping and fees are paid directly by me. The winner pays nothing extra to get their prize delivered home. Don't forget to like and check it out. It really helps. Also check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell and share it with your friends too. Alright, now let's go to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this Ulefone Rugking launch. Let's go to the video, let's do it! Starting the unboxing, a traditional yellow box from Ulefone. On the top its model, and below the RAM memory and the certifications as well. On the side label we have the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes and the product version, and on the back of the box its main features. Opening the box, we immediately see the envelope, and inside it we have the quick start guide, the warranty certificate, and a glass screen protector. Right below we have the device and then a USB Type-C charging and data transfer cable on both ends. A carrying strap and an ejector pin as well as an 18-watt power charger. And now, with the device already in hand and fully set up, we have a 5.99-inch in-plane switching liquid crystal display screen with a 60 Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 910 nits. It has a good grip, but it's a bit thick and also a bit heavy. But it's not that kind of brutality, not that exaggerated thing like other devices we see out there. It weighs 397 grams and is 1.83 centimeters thick. And here on the back we have a Thunder loudspeaker with a power of 126 decibels, which is really insane. The audio is incredible. I'll demonstrate in the video. Cameras and flash surround the speaker. This carbon fiber texture looks really beautiful. It definitely deserves that nice slap on the back. On the right side there's the volume up and down buttons and the power button with a fingerprint reader. On the top there's a super LED flashlight, which is another unique feature of the device. On the left side there's a SIM tray and a walkie-talkie button, which you can also customize. Below is an accessory port. At the bottom are a microphone, USB Type-C port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. And guys, it doesn't come with any native artificial intelligence apps, only Gemini, which is already built into Google, the service that's already on the device. So you'll only have that photo editing feature, which actually works well. I'll also show it on the screen for you guys. It works fine there, but as for artificial intelligence, text translation features, code translation, all that stuff, unfortunately you won't have those here. Now about the battery, 9600 milliamp hours, the performance is really good, it holds up very well. With moderate use, you can get 2 days of battery life, or even 3 if usage isn't too intense. And in the processor test I did here, the Unisoc T7255 12nm scored almost 500,000 points on Antutu. It's a pretty basic score, heating up to 32.9 degrees and losing 4% of battery. Let's go and run some gameplay with it now, opening Asphalt Legends. It allowed setting up to 60 frames per second, but recommends lowering it to 30 to avoid stuttering. Even so, I forced it and left it at 60 frames per second. Did you see it? During the game, it held up well. I didn't notice any lag or delay. It ran smoothly. Guys, it's a basic processor, so don't expect much. Simpler tasks like videos, social media, texts, all that stuff you can handle just fine with it. Even lighter games, you saw Asphalt Legends running smoothly on it. It won't handle those heavier games, the ones with more graphics, super ultra realistic ones. Then you'll start to notice a bit of lag on the device, but for most people, for normal use, it'll handle it just fine. No problem at all. It has IP68 and IP69K certification, so you can submerge it up to 2 meters deep for up to 30 minutes, no problem. It can withstand drops from up to 2 meters high and high pressure water jets. These are resistances and certifications. Like I always say, the manufacturer puts this in so you can have more safety when using the device, but man, don't go doing that. This is for you if needed, in case of an unexpected situation where the device fell or slipped. It will hold, it will keep it in place, but it's not for you to keep doing this all the time, okay? Operating system. We have pure Android 15 running on the device, and it also has near-field communication connection for making contactless payments. And one of the highlights of this device is this flashlight on the top part. Man, this can really save you in a lot of situations where you need a flashlight seriously. As you can see, it's really strong, man, it's really good. Fingerprint unlock on the side and face unlock work well too. They're a bit slow, but they work just fine. And the only version of this device that's sold is this one, 8 gigs of RAM with 256. It has a tray for two 5G nano SIM cards and the micro secure digital for extra storage. All together without needing to sacrifice a data card to put in the memory card. You can use everything together there, and it doesn't support a SIM connection. Now let's start the audio and video test. Setting volume to max, testing advanced quality at 1080p. Let's turn the brightness up to the maximum here and use pinch to zoom. Listen to how loud this is. Check out the bass. The audio doesn't come out from here or here, only from the back. A notification had come in. Man, that's really intense. Really intense. And really loud. The picture quality is good and matches the device's specs. You're going to have a bit limited brightness. It's not that really strong brightness. It's not that top-notch image quality. When it comes to audio, forget what you've seen. It's playing right here, look. The audio is insane. It's really loud, really powerful. You can really notice the presence of the bass. Man, this is unique. I've never seen anything like it. The audio is incredible. It can easily replace the small speaker you keep on your desk for music. Whether you're working or studying, it handles the job easily with no trouble. Now let's discuss the cameras. The front features an 8-megapixel camera that records full high definition at 30 frames per second. Let's take some photos and videos with it now. Here it is, guys, the Ulefone Rugging's front camera recording in full high definition at 30 frames per second, the highest resolution. We don't have stabilization here, and we also don't have high dynamic range. All right, basic, simple. There you go. Look, basic, simple. It's a basic, simple camera. But it'll solve a problem if you need it. It'll work for taking some photos and videos without any advanced features, okay? There it is for you. Look, we're already here. The stabilization. You can't really see the high dynamic range since the sun is already setting back there, but you can see it here. Now, do you see the sky? Here it's blue, and when it catches me here, everything turns white, okay? There's no high dynamic range for video on the front camera. We're in this together, that's it. Front camera of the Ulefone Rugking. Guys, the front camera is pretty simple, okay? No extra enhanced features. There's no high dynamic range, no stabilization. Photos and videos are simple and basic on this device, nothing more. And now let's go to the back part, which has two cameras, a main one with 50 megapixels and a second one with 2 megapixels. Macro also records at up to 1080p, full high definition, 30 frames per second. Let's take some photos and videos with its rear cameras now. We're here, guys. Rear camera of the Ulefone Rugking recording in full high definition 1080p 30 frames per second. Walking, holding it only with my right hand. We don't have any kind of stabilization here. The camera is basic. Let's test the zoom. 4 times, okay? Look there, see water falling, wonderful. Now let's go back to 1 time, show you again, and that's it. Rear camera of Rugking from Ulefone. The standard of the rear cameras also applies to the front camera. No extra features, no stabilization, high dynamic range or anything similar. Simple cameras produce basic results. Now let's move on to the final thoughts and my positive points here, in my opinion. Very good battery, spectacular audio. I've never seen anything like it. The IP68 and IP69K certifications, water jets, pressure, drops, it all handles well too. Near field communication connection and P2 3.5mm connection. Its flashlight is another major highlight of the device. These are its strongest points. The flashlight and audio are the device's two unique features. As for negatives, the processor and cameras are both very weak and basic. And its screen, which really lacks brightness, it's a screen that will give you low quality, but anyway, it's consistent with the price range of the device. And now I want to know your opinion. What did you think of the video? What did you think of the device? Is it worth it or not? Is the device cool or not? Leave a like if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on notifications, and share to support us. We're in this together. Thank you. God bless. Big hug. See you next time. I'm out.